Hi, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to the Bead market in Koforidua. Yes, it's only in Koforidua that I've seen a bead market. Koforidua is the eastern regional capital of Ghana, and as such, on market days, that's Mondays and Thursdays, bead makers and sellers travel from Krobo, Odumase, Somanya, Dodowa, Kukrentume, Ebri, among other towns to come and trade. Although there are over 100 bead sellers in this market, when you come here on ordinary days, that is the days apart from Mondays and Thursdays, you will find less than 10 shops open. The major raw material used in the production of the locally made Ghana beads or the Krobo beads are broken bottles or louver blades, and that's what's in the sacks. They are weighed and sealed. Because of bad precedents, almost 99% of the traders here were not receptive, so I respected their space.
These people, be my workers to Ghana.
One may find in this market, but not limited to, crystals, bicons, stones, sugar beads, Krobo beads, fishing lines, fascinators, accessories. Prices of some of the Krobo beads ranges from 20 Ghana cedis to 2,000 Ghana cedis per strand. Yes, you heard me, 20 million. See, when I hear what Ghana, one thing I like most about the traders here is the fact that they break bulk, that is, they sell in smaller quantities. Before I go, let me mention that I don't sell beads at the moment. However, if you are interested in any bead from Ghana, contact me on the number on the screen. Until I come your way with another video, let me ask you, have you subscribed? If not, why? Why haven't you subscribed? Anyway, until we meet again, I plead that you keep hope alive. Bye-bye.